Hey everybody, happy Friday. Here's the closeout of our third week in quarantine, and I just wanted to basically check in, help make sure that I'm doing my part to see if everybody's doing okay, and if there's anything that they need, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to help in any way that I can. I want to talk to you this morning real quick, roughly 2 minutes, just to talk to you about things that you could be doing during this time of quarantine to get your home ready for the market. A lot of people feel that because it's quarantine, it's preventing them from selling their house. And actually, it's quite opposite. I understand that the sales might not be there right now, but it gives you the perfect time to get your house in order to be put on the market. So it's not a rush deal like most seem to be. Right now, I would definitely take the time to clean up your yard. Declutter the inside and the outside of your house, pull weeds, spray down the outside of your house, look to see for any defects that may not be appealing to the buyer. It's important to make sure that the outside of your house is in good looking order. You want the curb appeal because that's what's going to get the buyers to come into your home and to show interest. On the inside of the house, you definitely want to declutter, take some of the pictures and stuff off the wall, the knickknacks, so the buyer can walk into the home and get a sense of what it would look like with their stuff on the walls and their furniture. It's important to declutter your home. If you have an opportunity to and you have the finances to, I would use this time definitely to put a coat of paint on the inside, definitely, if necessary, if it hasn't been done in 10, 15 years. But also on the outside if it's something that you can afford to do and it's within the game plan if it's needed. There's other things that you can do during this time would be doing a deep, thorough cleaning of the carpets. If there's carpet in your house, if there's linoleum or vinyl, take the time to do a good mop, a good clean job, wipe down baseboards. Just make sure that the house is overall in good showing order. One of the biggest things that I noticed that people can find a lot of value out of is basically would be on a lot of the track homes with the wood looking cabinetry is either putting on a refinisher that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. You squirt it on a rag and you wipe the cabinets off and they come out looking new. It works really well, but another thing that's more popular is getting the colored cabinets, and if you can't afford that, another option that a lot of people do is to paint them and they come out looking amazing. Right now the lighter colored kitchens are definitely in, so a lot of people are going with the white. Any little updates that you can be doing if the finances are there, I would definitely recommend you doing it to a certain extent. Updating what sells houses are kitchens and master bathrooms. So take your time during this quarantine time and put all your effort into sprucing those areas up, and I can guarantee you when your home hits the market, it's going to have an impact. It's going to draw attention and you will get the interested buyers. I hope this helps. I hope that you guys are all staying safe out there, and if there's anything I can do to help you out, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is on the screen next. Thanks.